Looks like to me someone's making a PBJ. If I recall, insert clip.
Ooh, maybe I should have a PB&J like every other 3-year-old.
I don't know.
So soft too. Have you heard it when we were coming out here?
That thing has like half the suspension these do also.
I'm gonna hit this and you're just gonna hear
Adam's pegs are gonna drag up the lip and he's gonna case it right on the backside.
front tire just boom. That's what's gonna, I'm just gonna come off of it and it's just gonna stick and I'm just gonna face first into that.
Well, you have a 450 helmet on.
I do have a 450 helmet on today though, so. Yeah, let me get warmed up. Let me put this away. We'll get warmed back up.
We'll do some practice sessions.
Well, I'm gonna do some laps, some hot lines.
Tyler, what do you think Adam's chances are of making this jump? It's tough.
It's a small chance, but I don't think
I
he's
have
gonna
faith
hit
in
it.
him, but I don't know if he'll commit to it.
He's stalled the bike.
What's up?
Yep. You guys hear it warm up?
I'm gonna have it. Do I need to test it?
Kinda, yeah. I kinda want you to ride it to see.
Because I'll be able to feel if it'll make it.
Second gear, it just doesn't feel like, it's not big, and I know that you don't need to. It's just because I suck. That's the only, I'm just making excuses at this point.
You don't suck. We put a little bit more time on pit bikes than
You did too. Like I haven't really ridden pit bikes that much.
Oh, you got that. How do you feel?
You know what's sad too is like when we were kids, we used to hit bicycle jumps about 10 times the size of this.
The sweet road trails?
Oh, dude, you know what I'm saying? Probably add another 20 feet onto this thing. The driveway jump.
What are you doing? You hit the tree.
That was so sketchy. Dude, my wrist just gave out on the landing.
I thought I was gonna take you out.
We hit the only stump in the whole area.
I had the speed. I cleared it fine. My wrist gave out when I landed, though.
Dude.
And that was sick.
I thought
Or like if you want to lean a little forward.
Like, give it a little.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Just like that. It'll be so good.
Let's see it. Oh my god.
It's exactly how I pictured it too. Dude, it's exactly like your elbows. You know, if you were riding a bike with a basket on the front of it, that's what it looks
Mary
like.
Poppins. Remember we used to ride around like that on bikes?
In front of the...
Where did I even run into you?
Dude, Rob Deerdeck would be so proud of that runoff.
Dude, my leg got stuck in the back tire.
Just run the pain away.
It hurt so bad.